All righty, Wranglers, I've wrestled up some nonsense words again, and above them I've got the sounds of what you need to know in order to read the words. So we're going to real quick practice those individual sounds, and then we're going to just lasso those rodeo words underneath and read them like nobody's business. Are you ready? Let's read the sounds. Now I got my vowels up here to start with, and then I've got my consonants down below. Here we go. Sit up tall. Here we go. F, I. Ha! I heard that. Good job. V, what? Ya, z, p, Oh my word. See, you're getting it. You're getting this learning down real good, Wranglers. All righty. Now, when I look at these words, because I know all these sounds, I can read these words. Now, here's how we're going to do it today. I'm going to point to a word, and you're going to tap it at home on your own, and then we're going to read it. All righty? You ready? Tap that word. Whim. Did you get it right? Oh, isn't that fantastic? All righty, here we go. Tap it. Get that tapping hand up. I need to see it. Here we go. Did you get it? Now let's put it together. Vep. We had whim, vep. Here we go. Tap it out. All right, now let's put it together. Zen. And our last nonsense word of the day. Did you tap it? Come on, get your tapping hand. Here we go. And it reads, yes, yes. Here we go, real quick like. Whim, vep, zen, yes. All right, boys and girls, that was just a rootin' tootin' good job.